Join me as I dive into the world of AMD stock and see if I can predict whether it's about to explode or if it's just hype. AMD stock has been on a lot of investors' radar lately, and for good reason. Its current status is looking pretty promising, with many watching closely to see what's going to happen next. AMD is facing some tough challenges in the competitive tech market, with rivals like Intel and Nvidia constantly trying to one-up them. The market conditions are also getting pretty tough, with a lot of uncertainty surrounding the future of the tech industry. This uncertainty is making it hard for AMD to make big moves, as they don't know what's going to happen next. Competition from rivals is also a major concern, as AMD needs to stay ahead of the curve in order to keep its market share. Intel and Nvidia are both big players in the tech world, and they're not going to let AMD get ahead without a fight. AMD's also got to deal with the fact that the tech market is always changing, with new technologies and innovations popping up all the time. This means that AMD's got to be constantly adapting and evolving in order to stay relevant. The pressure to perform is on, and AMD's got to deliver if it wants to keep its investors happy. The question is, can it do it? AMD's been working hard to develop some new technologies that could give it an edge in the market. They've been investing heavily in areas like artificial intelligence and machine learning, which are both big growth areas in the tech world. They've also been forming some pretty impressive partnerships with other big tech companies, which could help them get ahead. Their market strategies are also worth noting, as they've been trying to expand into new areas and reach new customers. This could be a big win for AMD, as it would give them access to a whole new market and help them grow their business. AMD's also been focusing on making its products more efficient and cost-effective, which could help them appeal to a wider range of customers. This is a key area for AMD, as it would help them stay competitive in a crowded market. The latest developments in AMD's technology are definitely worth keeping an eye on, as they could have a big impact on the company's future. There's a big event coming up that could be a game changer for AMD's stock value, their upcoming earnings report. This is always a big deal for investors, as it gives them a chance to see how the company is performing and make predictions about its future. The report is going to be closely watched, as it will give investors a sense of whether AMD is on track to meet its goals or if it's facing some challenges. This could have a big impact on the stock price, as investors react to the news. AMD's also got a new product launch coming up, which could be a major catalyst for growth. This new product has been highly anticipated, and many are expecting it to be a big hit. The combination of these two events could be huge for AMD, as it would give investors a chance to see the company's progress and get a sense of its future potential. The key points to take away from all this are that AMD's got some big challenges ahead of it, but it's also got some major opportunities for growth. The company's been working hard to develop new technologies and form partnerships that could help it get ahead, and it's got some big events coming up that could be game changers. If you've got thoughts on AMD stock, be sure to leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights and check out my other video on tech stocks, where I dive into the world of Nvidia and explore its potential for growth.